In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create QR code for YouTube links. So you can select any one in your purpose. I select this www video, then share and copy. Now going on this website, this called like goqr.me. So here are 9 type of QR code you are able to generate. So I select first one website, then click on the website address, then paste here, click on enter, then you can see this is the QR code option, click on download, again select your this format like jpg png. Wow, it's already downloaded to my computer, and you are able to still able to use this method on your mobile phone as well. If I, wow, you can see it's already totally free. You don't need paid any single money here. If you have found this video helpful, for make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.